Hello and welcome to how to grow bleeding heart plants from cuttings. The best time to take cuttings is in the spring after the plant has flowered. Also, the best time of day to take the cutting is in the early morning. Step 2. Now take the cutting. The best place to take the cutting is in softwood growth on the edge of the plant. Try to remove a piece of root with your cutting. Step 3. Place the cutting in a plastic bag. As soon as the cutting is removed from the soil, it starts to lose moisture through the leaves. The plastic bag provides a humid atmosphere that stops moisture loss. Step 4. Put the cutting into a pot of well-drained compost. First, cut off the lower leaves. Until the roots are established, they cannot support all these leaves, so just leave those at the top for the moment. Now take a pot of compost, give it a thorough watering, push the root into the soil and give it a slight turn to make sure the compost is in contact with the root. Next, place 3 sticks around the circumference of the pot. These are going to be used to support a plastic bag. Pull a plastic bag over the sticks and tie it at the bottom of the pot. This is going to provide a humid environment while the roots get established. Step 5. Keep warm and moist. Keep in indirect sunlight at a daytime temperature of between 18 to 24 degrees C. Step 6. When new growth starts to appear, you know that the roots are now established. At this point, remove the plastic bag. Harden the plant off by leaving it outside in the daytime but bringing it inside at night time. After this, you can plant it in its final grown position outdoors. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please visit my YouTube channel and my gardening website where there are more videos and information on gardening. Thank you and goodbye.